I will show you the demonstration for method overriding. So as we discussed on whiteboard, I have written the classes for superclass and subclass. So I will write those classes here. Class super. This class was having display method, and in this method it will display superclass display. That's all. This is sufficient. So this is a superclass. Now let us write subclass sub that extends from superclass. Then inside again we will write display method, and this display method will print subclass display. Now I have two classes, one superclass which is having void display, and this is also having void display. If you observe, this method signature public void display and this method signature is as it is, and this is highlighted in yellow. Let me put a cursor there. It says that add override annotation. So NetBeans IDE is giving me a hint that I should add a annotation here for override, because this is overriding a method. And if I put a cursor here and press Alt Enter, then it will include that annotation. Yes, include it. Now let us go to main method. Inside main method, I will create an object of superclass. Then I will call super.display. So this will call display method of superclass. Next, I will say subclass just s and new subclass. Then if I say s.display, this will call display of subclass. So here I should get a message that, so for this line I should get a message superclass display. For this line I should get a message subclass display. Let us run and see. Yes, superclass display and subclass display. Let us go back to superclass and study it once again. See, I am writing a subclass which is extending from superclass. See, I am writing a subclass which is extending from superclass. It means it is already getting this display method, but it is redefining that method. So this method is shadowed. This is of no use inside subclass. So when I create an object of subclass and call the display method, then display method of a subclass is called. So redefining of this method is overriding. I will make one small change here. I will remove this annotation, and inside the display I will pass some parameter x. I will not use it, just I am declaring a parameter. If I do so, then this is not an overridden method, because this is not taking any arguments, but this is taking some arguments. And inside main method, when I am calling it, I am not passing any argument. So which method will be called? This superclass method will be called. Let us run and see. Yes, superclass display, both the time the same thing has came. Even if I debug here by putting a breakpoint here, enter into debug mode, then press F7, you can see that the superclass method is called, because I am calling a version of display which is not taking any arguments or parameters. So this method will be called. Next, let us go back to main method. Here I said that we can use a superclass reference and create an object of subclass. So I will remove these two lines. In this line, if you observe, I have a reference of superclass, and new, I will create an object of subclass, and I will call display method. And this is the overridden method. I will remove this parameter. So overridden method. So reference is of superclass, object is of subclass, whose method will be called, method of an object will be called. Let us run. So it should display subclass display. Yes, subclass display. So this mechanism is called as dynamic method dispatch in Java. So that's all in this video. We will learn more about dynamic method dispatch in the next video.